Got 5 minutes? Want to help make a difference, but you don't know how? Well, I got the right thing for you. This social entrepreneurship startup fund. As we know, millions of people around the world are suffering from hard conditions. People still using wood for heating and cooking. People suffering from living in deserts and have to walk miles to find a drop of water. Children who doesn't have access to formal education. Let's take an example. Water. As of today, 1 billion people around the world don't have access to clean drinking water. Just by Africa, 345 million people suffer daily from lack of access to a safe supply of water. And remember that water affects everything: education, health, life conditions. Women and children have to walk miles every day to gather water, a water exposed to all kinds of germs. So, do you want to help us in order to help them, but still wondering how? Well, that's easy. By following these 3 simple steps, you could make a difference, put back a smile into a child's face. So, first, discover our purpose. Know how we're gonna help those people around. Second, if convinced, make a donation. Small or big, it doesn't matter. Trust me, it will help us. Third, don't forget to share the fundraiser with your friends, family, and beloved so they could have a chance to make a difference themselves. You may wonder who we are. Well, we are students coming from different countries gathered for the CBS course in the social entrepreneurship. Our goal is to find a way to transform the need of food, water, shelter, clothing, or education into business opportunities. It is all a matter of transformation. Our purpose is creating business opportunities from basic needs. We came from different countries, but our purpose is the same. Our strength lies in our differences, many ideas, opportunities to improve life of those who are in need. The money will be donated to the most promising social ventures developed at the end of the social course. So remember, we've got only 3 days left to gather as much money as we can. Help us to make a difference, change a life, a family, put back in a smile, and most important, don't forget to share the fundraiser.
Created using Powtoon.